Modere business opportunity. I'm going to share with you what brought me to Modere after being in the industry for several years, hitting the top ranks in my former company, and starting all over because of the way that we build over here in Modere. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I'm a help network marketers brand themselves and bring their dream business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out. All right, so about 3.5 years ago, I left my former company as a top leader over in that former company to start brand new because I couldn't deny what I was seeing over here at Modere. So if you are looking at the opportunity and you're not sure if it's the right fit for you, what I urge you to do is make sure you subscribe to this video. I make a ton of videos about Modere and the company, the comp plan, the products that we sell, as well as send me a message over on Facebook and let's connect and see if it's a good fit for you. But what led me over here is because I truly think that Modere has solved a lot of the problems of traditional network marketing. And what do I mean by that? I know at my former company, it was very hard for people to bring on a team, right? And they couldn't hit top ranks without having a team, underneath them. And that to me just didn't feel right. They were doing all of the things, they were great at sales, but they weren't getting recognized because they hadn't hit, they hadn't built this massive team. And so when I started to look around, I couldn't deny what I saw over Modere, and they have a dual-sided comp plan where we have one side of the comp plan where all you need to do, it's kind of like an affiliate side or an e-commerce store, where you just have to sell our products and you can hit the top ranks, you get recognized, you can earn the incentive trips that are, that are offered if you hit certain ranks, but you don't need a team in order to do so. So I was like, okay, that's amazing. Now we do also have, obviously, the team building side of the comp plan. So there's two sides that you can decide which side you want to build, or you can build both sides of the comp plan. So that was one reason that really led me into thinking about joining Modere and starting all over again. The second reason I loved Modere is because of their no parties, right? Nobody wants to do online parties, in-home parties anymore. And what they have is they have what they call a social retail model where you give 10, so you give 10, you give out a referral code, you give $10 off to your customers, and then your customers then refer people to other customers, and then they get $10 credit on their next order. So it's kind of like Guilt or Fresh Direct or something like that. And that was really alluring because I was totally over the whole party scene. Now, another thing that drew me to Modere is their clean living products and their collagen. It was very much on trend with today's marketplace and what people are looking for. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you over here our trim video that I've created that is really our flagship product. It is what has gone viral. It is probably what you've known Modere to be, is our liquid multi-patented collagen, but more specifically our Fat Blaster trim. So I'm going to link that video over here that you can check out. Now again, if you want to talk to me more about the opportunity at Modere, in the comments of this video, I'm going to put a link for you to chat with me over on Facebook, and we can see if it's a good fit for you. But what I can tell you is that we have systems in place, and this was the final thing that really led me to want to, jump on board with Modere, is the systems that we have in place for people to win. So it's people that have never had experience in this industry before. They're doing amazing things, and that was really what excited me. And so my team personally, I've got for you a 15-day drip bot on how to start strong, and every day you get a message from me over on your Facebook Messenger, and you get dripped on how to start strong. And then I also have for you a 45 days of social media posting, and we have a group chat that is super duper supportive. Everybody helps you, and it's really, really, it's been a game changer having that structure in place and having that plug and play system that my team has created, as well as Modere has got as well. And so like I said before, if you do want to check out the video, if you do want to, if you do like this video and you want to talk more about the opportunity, definitely make sure you message me over on Facebook. I'm going to put a link in the description below, and definitely make sure that you check out Modere's award-winning collagen patented formula. It is fantastic. It's very much on trend with the, with all the hype of today. Everybody wants collagen, and ours is like top of the line over there. And hey, if we're just meeting, this is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV, and I'll see you next week.